how to create earn money website. So I was able to create this how to make money website for free without paying any money. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. Look down in the video description. I'm having a link of this platform. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here. So over here, come to where it says sign up for free and then come and click on it. And all that you have to do is to simply come and then create an account. You can do so by coming to click on sign up with Google in one click, or you can simply come down here where it says sign up with email and then click on it. And then all that you have to do is to simply come and then put in your email address right here. Then come down and then come and put in your first name. Then come here and then come and put in your last name. Then come and set a strong password and then come and click on create account. But I'm going to go with a shortcut and then come and click on the sign up with Google in one click. It is fast, okay? So over here, all that you have to do is to just come and then choose the Gmail account that you are going to use to create your account by clicking on it, and then simply come here and then come and click on the continue. What you have to do is that you have to come and then select a plan, okay? So they have this free plan that you pay $0, and that is what you have to select, and then come and click on the get started. So you'll be logging directly to your dashboard just like this one, and then just come down here to where we have build site with AI and then come and click on it. So all that you have to do is that we are going to go through this series of steps to get your website built, okay? The first thing you have to do is to provide some basic information that they are going to use to build your website for you. The first information is the name of the website, okay? So I'm going to call the name of my website as Earn Money with Bernice. This is the name of my website, okay? So after putting it in, what you have to do is to just come and click on this website is for. Go through and then select the purpose of the website, okay? You can also come in and come and type in. So what you have to do is to simply type in earn money just like this one, and then come down here and then come and click on earn money, okay? The next thing that you can also do is to come here and then come and choose the language that you want. I'm simply going to leave mine at the English, that is the default. And then when you are done, simply come here to the continue and then come and click on it. After clicking on the continue, simply come here and then come and describe your website in few details. You have the option to come down here and then come and click on write using AI. So when you click on it, you're going to see that the AI is going to generate something for you, okay? But the only downside of this is that you get to know that what the AI generated does not relate to where your website is. So this one is saying that I'm based in the New York, which I am not. Beside that one, to the establishment date, to it is saying 2005, which mine is not. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight it, clear everything, and then write detailed description about your website just like this one. Then come and click on improve using AI, okay? So when you click on it, this time the AI is going to generate something uniquely just for your website, okay? You can come here and then sort from the first that was generated, or choose the current one, okay, by using these arrows. So when you're okay, simply come and then click on the continue. So the next important thing is to come and then provide your contact details. That is what your customer is going to use to contact you. So what you have to do is to come and put your email address right here. The next thing is that you have to come and then put in your phone number right here. It has to be your business phone number, okay? And then come down here and then come and put your address right here. It could be physical or digital, okay? You can also come here to where it says the social media. Come and click on the plus sign, then you can add any of these social media handles to it, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. I'm going to skip all this by coming to click on skip step. So after clicking on the skip step, the next important thing is to come and then select free stock images that is going to be used to build your website for you. You can sort through by clicking on any of these categories, okay? And then when you click on it, that type of image is going to be displayed, okay? So this is the image, and then you can select any of them. And beside that one too, you can see your selected images. From the selected images, when you click on it, you are going to see all the images that you have selected. You can remove any of them if you don't want it by simply coming here and then you click on the remove icon, and that picture is going to be removed, okay? And then make sure that you don't upload more than 20 images at a time. Beside that one, you can upload your own unique images by clicking on upload your images, and then make sure that the images selected goes with all of these picture formats, okay? And then don't upload more than 20 images at a time. You can always add them later. better. Beside that one, you can come to the search results and then search for new images to be added to build your website for you. So when you are selected the images and then you are okay, simply come here to the continue and then come and click on it. The next thing is to simply come and then choose the structure of your website. That is how the website is going to look like. Okay, you can put the mouse on any of them and it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. I like this one. I'm simply going to click on it, and when I click on it, it's going to be added to build my website for me. If you have a site logo, simply come to where it says upload file here, click on it, and then the logo is going to be used to build your website for you. And then you can also come here to the fonts pair and then choose any of these fonts pair, and that is what is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, beside that one too, when you come to the color palette, you can come and then select any of the color that you want, and that is how your website is going to look like. Okay, so when you're not okay with the design that you selected, you can simply come to back to other design, click on it and then change the design and select the one that you prefer. When you're okay, simply come to the continue and then come and click on it. The next thing that you can also do is that you can come here and then select any of these features, and that is what is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can come and then select the donation feature. We have the sales funnel, we have the free live chat. Let's say you want that one, simply come and then check the box and it's going to be used to build your website for you. But if you don't want it, simply come to where you check the box and then uncheck it. Okay, we don't have only that, we also have the automation as well, and then we have the video player as well. But I'm simply going to skip all these by simply coming here to where it says skip and then start building and then click on it. So over here, this is a glimpse of all that we have done. When you are ready and then you want to start, simply come and then click on start building the website, and all that you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to build your website for you in few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, hooray, we have successfully built our Earn Money website. Okay, one thing that you have to do now is that you have to come and then copy your credentials by clicking on the copy and then paste it somewhere. Okay, and then simply come down here to where it says view website and then come and click on it. So this is our Earn Money website. It is looking nice, amazing, and it was built for totally free. Okay, but when you come to the top side, you can see that the website is going to expire within 24 hours. Yes, it simply means that the website builder does not host our website for us, so we have to host it on a permanent web host. Let me show you how to do it. Simply come and then put the mouse on the name of your website and then come and then click on plugins. So it's simply come here and then click on add new plugin, and then over here come to the search bar and then come and search for WP Vivid, just like this one. Okay, when it comes, simply come and then select this one and then come and click on install now. Simply sit back, relax, and then wait for it to finish installing, and then when it's finished installing, simply come and then click on the activate. Okay, so when you click on the activate, you can find it from here. So from the settings, under the settings, you can see we have the WP Vivid backup is here. Simply come to the backup and then restore, and then come and make sure that database plus file is checked, and then not only that, come and then make sure that save backups to local is checked as well. So all that you have to do now is to simply come and then click on the backup now. So after clicking on it, what you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the website to back up. And then when it's finished, just come here to where you have the backups. Under the backup, okay, you are going to see your backup is here, just like this one, and then come to the download under it, come and click on the download. Okay, what you have to do is to just locate the file, just like this one. Under the file, you're going to see the file size. In front of it, we have the download. Click on it, and as you can see that our website is downloading. Simply wait for it to finish downloading, just like this one, and we have successfully downloaded our website. Okay, so you can come and then click on the opened icon, and then this is our downloaded website. So now that we have been able to download our website, what we have to do now is that we have to upload it on a permanent web host. Okay, so we have two ways of doing this. We have a free way of hosting the website, and then we have a paid way of hosting it. I'm having a full video walking you through step by step how to do either the paid one or the free one. Okay, so go to the channel and then watch that video.